If homemade borax ant bait is not attracting ants, change the bait formula and placement immediately to restore attractiveness. Start by checking the bait's sweetness balance because ants prefer different sugar types. Use a simple syrup made from white granulated sugar dissolved in warm water at a ratio of 1 part sugar to 2 parts water for a generalist bait, or try honey diluted with a little water for species that prefer viscous syrups. Measure borax carefully and keep it low so the bait is palatable. A common effective proportion is 1 teaspoon of borax per 1 cup of sugar solution, but if ants avoid it, reduce the borax slightly until they feed. Place the bait directly along the active ant trails and at the foraging entry points, not just near food sources, and set multiple small drops rather than one large puddle so more foragers find it. Refresh the bait every 24 to 48 hours to prevent fermentation or mold, which repels ants, and replace containers if they become contaminated with debris or other food smells. If indoor odors or competing foods are present, remove accessible snacks and clean surfaces with a mild detergent so the bait becomes the most attractive option. Common mistakes include using the wrong sweetener and assuming one formula fits all species, so switch to a different sugar source and observe which attracts the workers. Another common issue is poor placement. If bait is not on the trail or too far from entry points, move it closer and use very small, frequent stations to capture more foragers. A third problem is stale or contaminated bait. Replace solution every day to 2 days, clean dispensers, and avoid leaving competing food out, and if ants still ignore it, try a dry bait with borax mixed into powdered sugar or peanut butter depending on what the local species prefers. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project planning resources tied to pest control and home repair, so we can help you find professionals if baiting does not resolve an infestation. We also host a discussion community where we share field tips, bait recipes, and contractor recommendations so our members can learn from each other.